Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency that specializes in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I'm actually located in Charlotte and was doing a keyword search for Charlotte roofing, which is the most popular keyword search. And this is what comes up on the first page. This is just some ads at the top. What we call a map pack. And then you get into the organic rankings, which has some of the companies, some of your competitors. This is just a business directory, another competitor, business directory, competitor, and so on. About 80% of all searches choose one of the top 3 search results. Think of yourself, if you go on and search Google, how many times do you go past page 1 looking for what you need. So I did look for you though, and I found you on page 5, down a little bit. Here we go, Truguard Construction. And so I went to your website just to see what you could do to improve your ranking results in order to get more customers, more revenue, and profits. And so your site looks aesthetically really pretty nice. Nice pictures, and the way it's broken out looks good. Hopefully all these images, your web guy put image alt tags on them to signal Google to help rank you higher as well. There's several things that go into what Google looks at in order to rank a site. They want to trust your site, and what I mean by that is, if you do a search, you want to find what you're looking for immediately, and they're in it for the end user. They want their end user, the people searching, to have a good experience, to find what they're looking for, and to find it immediately. So the sites that they can trust to provide that experience, they're going to rank the highest. And what goes into building trust with Google? There's several things. One of them is your title tag, and this is what is typically showed on the blue line, but yours actually nothing came out. We have a metadata extractor that pulls that information, what Google's looking at or what they find, and Google's not finding your title. This is the title tag. The blue line in the search results is what's called the title tag. This tells Google what your page is about. And so you're telling Google that your page is about Charlotte and Concord and Gastonia, and that you're a roofing contractor. But people searching are searching for Charlotte roofing. And I know you're in other areas, and we can help you with that as well. But if you would just change this on your site to Charlotte roofing, then you can put this vertical line here, and you can put your company name, and then roofing contractor, and then your areas or phone number. You've got 72 characters to play with here. If you just made that simple change, that would boost your rankings. The other thing Google looks at is your headings, and we put we actually don't show any headings either. We put it in our heading analyzer, and this is what comes up. So just a mishmash of stuff, so it's really not helpful. So what you want to do is Google looks at that, and then that tells Google or signals to Google what you want to rank for. And again, if you make that congruent with Charlotte roofing and put Charlotte roofing on your header, which you could put here, Charlotte roofing, and under that then you could put true to our word, local experts, then that would help you. Also down here, same thing, but those are just some things you can do on your own that'll boost your rankings to start getting you more of that business in the Charlotte area. If you want us to help you out, we'd be glad to, and hopefully you found some value in that, and good luck and take care. Just reply to my message if we can help you.